How to log in to Shein account. So if you want to log in to Shein account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Shein, and then here on the first search you will have us.shein.com. You can click on that and then it will take you to the website. So now if you want to log into your Shein account, then you can go to the upper right corner which has a profile icon. You can simply click on that. Here you can either sign into your account or you can also register your account. So to sign in or to log in, first you have to enter your mobile number or your email address, or you can also continue with your Google or Facebook. So after entering your email address, you have to click on continue. And now you have to enter your password, and after entering your password you have to click on sign in. But if you don't remember your password, then you have to click on forgot your password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and then click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log into your Shein account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.